In this video, I want to talk about an employee 401k loan. Sometimes an employee will take a loan against their 401k, and when they do, depending on the requirements of that retirement plan, sometimes the employer will have to deduct the payments from the employee's paycheck and send those payments to the retirement plan company. So I'm going to walk through an example situation so you can see how that might look in your accounting system. Now, I want you to keep in mind that this is a loan between the employee and the retirement plan company. So the employer is not going to keep track of the balance in their accounting records. They might pay attention to the balance so they know when the loan is paid off and they can stop deducting it from the employee's paycheck. But for the most part, they're not going to likely keep the actual balance in their accounting records. So in this scenario, the first thing you would do is set up the deduction from the employee's paycheck. Now, typically this is going to be pretty straightforward in your payroll processing system. There's usually an option for this type of deduction. However, if you need assistance with that, then I suggest getting help from your payroll processing service. And then once you have the deduction set up, it's going to need to be mapped to an account in your chart of accounts. Now, what you can do is use the same account that you would use for your regular employee 401k contributions. So if you have a 401k payable account or something similar, you could use that account. If your payroll processing service is the same program as your accounting program, for example, if you use QuickBooks for your bookkeeping and your payroll, then I would just recommend using whatever QuickBooks sets up for you for this process. However, if you're using separate programs and you're not sure what account to use, then I would say probably the easiest thing to do is just default to whatever account you're using for your other 401k contribution, deductions, and payments. So I'm going to use this 401k payable account. And what I did for this example is I set up an example paycheck. This check right here is an example paycheck. So on this example check, I've got gross wages of $1,000, employee tax withholdings of $300, and I'm just using one tax liabilities account for all the taxes, but you might have several different tax accounts listed here. And then I have a line item for the employer payroll taxes. The employer might be paying the FICA match and some unemployment taxes, maybe some other taxes. So I went ahead and added that as well. And then I showed a liability for that amount. So the plus and the minus don't affect the employee, but I just wanted to show the full example scenario of the taxes. And then I show an employee loan deduction of $100. So if this employee took out a 401k loan, this employer is deducting that payment from the employee's paycheck. So it's a negative because it's subtracting from the wages. And this loan deduction is being mapped to that 401k payable account. So what this is showing is that the employer is deducting the $100 from the paycheck, and it's going to be in a liability account to show that they're liable to pay this to that 401k company. So this is an example of how a payroll entry might look. Of course, every company is going to be a little different, so your situation will probably look a little different than this. So I'm going to go ahead and come out of this. And then I'm going to go back to the chart of accounts. And then I'm going to go to this 401k payable account. So you can see here that this shows that this liability was increased for the $100 of that loan deduction. So now the company is going to need to send that $100 to the retirement plan company. So now I'm going to show what the payment to the retirement plan company might look like. I'm going to create an expense, and I'm going to choose the same category, the 401k payable account, for $100 from the checking or whatever account they're going to pay it from. And I'm going to go ahead and put a memo here. And I'm going to go ahead and save and close. Okay, you can see that that payment decreased this account, this balance, to now bring this to zero. So all the company is showing is that they deducted the $100 from the paycheck, and then they sent that $100 to the retirement plan company. And that's going to zero out the balance of this 401k payable account. Now, more than likely, you would also have some other employee 401k contributions within this payment. However, I wanted to keep this video simple and just show the loan deduction from the employee and the subsequent payment to the retirement plan company. And that's all I wanted to cover in this video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below, and thank you for watching.